So today I will take this particular problem on 11 kV line, and this is given. Prepare an estimate for 1.6 kilometer line, 3 phase 4 wire using PCC pole of specification 27 kg per meter, length for 9 meter long with ACSR conductor of 6/1/3.15 and average span is 120 meter. So according to average span, number of pole is 1.6 into 1000 upon 120 is equal to 13 poles are there, and conductor is 3 times, that is R by B, the total length plus 10% wastage, and 8 SWG GI earth wire, it is 1.6 kilometer plus 10%. So now this is the problem which is taken for the estimate. So now for estimate I will prepare the number of items taken, and according to that we will find out the cost. So this is the serial number of the item, then this is the name of item, name of items, unit, quantity, rate, and then amount, and the last column is of remark. So we will take this estimate for HT line. This for HT line. Now items taken according to the standards. So first item is PCC pole 27 kg meter, 9 meter long. So this number of poles required 13, so we can take plus 1, so total number of pole is 14, and one pole have a cost of say 3000 rupees, so it is 42,000 is the total cost of the 42,000 is the total cost of the pole. This quantity is 14, sorry, and this is 3000 is the rate, and this is in number. So these are the poles required for the line. Then second is teak wood cross arm. Teak wood cross arm, nowadays teak wood is not used, so we are taken channel iron cross arm. Channel iron cross arm of 110 into 110 into 60 into 6.3, 2 meter long. 2 meter long for all intermediate poles. They are 12 because the last pole is the DP structure, so there will be 2 poles. This is 600 rupees cost of one, so 7,200 will be the cost of this cross arm. Then similar cross arm, but length is changed, it is 2.2 meter. This is for DP structure. One number. Cost of this is slightly more, say we can take 800 rupees. This is for TP structure. So this is for intermediate pole. This is for intermediate poles, this cross arm, and they are channel iron cross arm 110 by itna. This is a H cross arm. Basically, this cross arm is horizontal cross arm, H cross arm. So this is three items. You just see complete. From the distance it is look properly. Now item number 4. This item number 4 is the pin insulator, in which we take top insulator separately. Top insulator, they require in number 12, and one insulator cost 500 rupees. So this will be 6,000 rupees is the cost of the top insulator on top of the pole. This is top insulator. So total item in first shot there are 5. The 5th item is insulators, that is earth wire clamps. We require earth wire clamps. Earth wire clamps. They are also in number and they require 13, because on DP also earth wire is to be connected. The earth wire clamp is cost 100 rupees each. So 1300 is the cost of earth wire. This is to be provided from first pole to last pole, that is up to DP structure. So total cost of page number 1 on this board up to item number 1 to 5, it is taken 42,000, 7 गुण 50,200 और 850,000, 56,000, 56,000, 57,300. This is the first page, 57,300 रुपये. This is the cost up to the 5th item. You just look at this. Read all the items carefully. Quantity, rate, amount and remark. Okay. So this is the all the item. Now after 5th there is a 6th item. The 6th item taken by book is cross bracings. It is cross bracings. Cross bracing for cross arm. Cross arm support. At last I will give the diagram of the pole so that all items will be clear to you. Okay. This cross arms support known as bracings, they are required in number for intermediate poles. So intermediate poles are our total 12. So cross bracings is required, one for DP structure. Number 1, rate of this is 1,000 rupees. So this is 1,000 and this is for H pole or DP structure. For DP structure. This is required for DP structure. Now next item is (11 kV pin insulator). This is item number 7. 11 kV pin insulator. So there are 13 poles are there. So we require 39. On one pole 3 insulators are required. So 39 will be the number of insulators provided. On each pole we take 3 insulators for RYB phase. So they are 39. The cost of one insulator is say 1000 rupees. So this will be 399,000. Okay, for 3 on each pole. 3 on each pole. So this is the item number 7. Then the item number 8, 11 kV insulator complete with dead end clamps. So they required 6. This is 8 number item, disc insulator. With dead end clamp. Dead end clamp means this is the last pole. The DP is, as I have told you in theory, that after each 1.6 kilometer there will be one DP. So disc insulators with dead end clamps, they required 6 in number, and 150 rupees is the cost of one disc insulator. Sorry, 800 rupees is the cost of one insulator of disc. So this is 4,800. This is for dead end DP, डबल पोल जो डेड एंड पे लगाएंगे अपन. So this is the item number 8. Now total of this is 1,000, 39,000, this is 40,000, 44,800. So this second is 44,800 rupees. It's this item up to 8. Now 9 number item we will take. Nine number item we will take. This is 3 oblique we can take 8 SWG GI wire for earth. It is in meter. So 1.6 kilometer plus total, it is converted into kg. So it is 720 kg approximately, and cost of this is 100 rupees kg. So you can take 72 rupees. 72 is the quantity and 100 rupees per kg is the cost. So 72,000 is the cost of continuous earth wire required for the line. Continuous earth wire along the line. So this is continuous earth wire required for the line. Now item number 10, it is GI earthing wire. 10 number, this is earthing set with 8 SWG GI wire. So there are 14 structures, so in number the 14 earthing set will be required, and each set cost about 2000 rupees. So 28,000 is the cost of this. Every pole is to be earthed because it is 11 kV line. In LT line we take alternate pole earthing. Here in HT line we have to do for every pole earthing. Every pole is grounded. And sometimes people want to save the money, so they can take alternate pole. So in alternate pole लेंगे तो this 14 की जगह 7 हो जाएगा. So that cost will be 14,000. But we will take factor of safety. So we are taking on each pole there is a pipe earthing is provided for earthing of the each pole. Then binding wire. To bind the insulators, binding wire of aluminum of 14 SWG. This is in kg, and normally for one location we can take 200 grams per insulator. So total 39 insulators are there. Approximately इसको राउंड अप करके आप 40 इंसुलेटर के लिए निकाल लीजिए. So total it will be 8,000 grams. So this will be 8 kg. 200 grams per insulator. So there are 3 insulators. So 600 grams per pole, and there are total 14 poles are there. So 50. We are taking 100 grams per insulator. 300 multiplied by 14 pole. तो 14 पोल पे टोटल नंबर ऑफ इंसुलेटर विल बी 42, क्योंकि एक पे 3 ले रहे हैं, तो 42 इंसुलेटर है इंटू 200 ग्राम. सो दिस विल बी 42 42 दूना 84. सो दिस विल बी 8,400 grams. Okay. 8,400 grams, so it can be taken as 8.4 grams kg. इस kg को आप है ना राउंड अप कर लीजिए 9 kg, क्योंकि कटिंग में बहुत सारा लॉस भी होता है, इसमें 10% जोड़ेंगे. तो 9 kg is the total weight required of this binding wire. So binding of the conductor on the insulator we require. And cost of this is taken as 200 rupees per kg. So this is of 1800 rupees. So this is binding of conductor on insulator. Binding of conductor on insulator. So this is item number 11. So sum of this will be how much? 7,000. ये 72,000 रुपये ये हो गए और 28 ये हो गए, तो 72 28 1 लाख रुपये ये हो जाएगा, और 1,01,800. So this is sum is 1,01,800. 800. Okay, 1,08,800 rupees. Now we come to item number 12. You just see all these items, okay? From here to here, this is 9 number item, 9 to all the cost up to the last, okay? So you can easily watch this. Now come to item number 12. This item number 12 is stay set. Stay set complete with stay set complete with all accessories. Stay set complete with all accessories. It is required in number. So he has taken total number of stay set 9. 9 means alternate pole पे stay दिया है इसने and cost of one stay set is 2000 rupees. So this will be 1800 rupees. 18,000 rupees will be there. Stay set is provided on alternate pole. Alternate pole. एक छोड़ के एक के बाद. Okay. On alternate pole. So this is 9 stays required. Then item number 13. Item number 13 will be the next item in this, and this is taken as earthing sets complete. That is already taken for each pole. This is earthing set complete for DP structure. Earthing set complete for DP structure. So there will be number and they require 2. Cost of one earthing set is 2000 rupees. So this is 4000 rupees. This is for DP structure. Then 11 kV lightning arresters. At the last, on every 1.6 kilometer we put lightning arrester. So 11 kV lightning lightning arresters. This is required in number, or we can say set. एक set आता है 3 का. So one set of 3, it is cost about 5000 rupees. So this is cost. This is to be provided on DP. To be provided on DP. So this is the lightning arrestor we require to be provided on DP. Now this item up to 14, what is the sum? 18,000 plus 4,000, 22,000 plus 5,000, 29,000. So this is 29,000. Okay. Now some small item is there. Barbed wire anti-climbing device. This is item number 15. Barbed wire anti-climbing device. Barbed wire एंटी क्लाइंबिंग डिवाइस। ये हर पोल पे एक लगेगा, तो टोटल अपने पोल आए 14 नंबर। So 14 will be the requirement for anti-climbing device, and each anti-climbing device is cost rupees 2000. 2000 rupees each, so this will be 28,000. This is anti-climbing device, barbed wire anti-climbing device. इनके सबके डायग्राम में अभी बताऊंगा बाद में. Then you require danger plate. Danger plate is to be provided on each location. Danger plate of 11 kV. This is total number of location are 13, so 13 danger plate is required. 50 रुपये की एक आएगी, तो ये हो जाएगा 650 रुपये. To be provided on each location. To be provided on each location. Each location. तो लोकेशन अपने टोटल कितने? 13. 12 ये और एक डीपी. Then knee bracing set. Knee bracing set for cross arm. So this is also required. One set of 2. Total location is 14. So we require 14 set of knee bracing. One set of 2. One set of 2. So 14 set cost 1000 rupees each. So take 14,000 for 14. On each cross arm. This is to be provided on each cross arm. So you take item up to 17. Barbed wire anti-climbing device, danger plate and knee bracing set. This is coming up to the last. After that, pole foundation, muffs, 80 number. Pole foundation muffs. ये सीमेंट का चबूतरा बना देते हैं, पानी नहीं जाए टावर ये पोल के अंदर, बारिश का, इसलिए बनाते हैं इसको. तो ये अपने 14 पोल हैं, तो सभी पे एक एक बनेगा. सो इट इज़ इन नंबर 14. और एक के लिए 100 रुपीज़ का कॉस्ट आएगा अधिकतम. तो 1400 ये है फॉर पोल, फॉर ईच पोल. ओके. So these are the pole foundation muffs. Pole foundation muffs, they require 14. Each pole पे एक आएगा, तो 14 हो जाएगा इसका टोटल. And this will be 1400 rupees. Now sum of all the items up to pole foundation muffs, it is 28,000. Then 14,000, 28 and 14, it is 42,000, 42,650 and 42,650, 45,650, 42,650, sorry 28, and 14, it is 28 plus this is 4032 and this is 42, 42 and 43, 43 and 1400 or 44,050 rupees, 44,050 rupees. This is the sum of this. Okay. Then this all finishes your item, miscellaneous item to complete the job. अब ऐसे आइटम जो पूरे एस्टिमेट में नहीं लिए हैं या काउंटिंग में नहीं आए हैं तो 19th आइटम यू कैन टेक miscellaneous item to complete the job. Miscellaneous item to complete the job. So this is lump sum provision you take of 1000 rupees. Lump sum provision of 1000 rupees for all those items which are required at the last. So this is for remaining work. Sundries items are there. So in last we will add 1000 for miscellaneous item. So there are total 19 items are there in this particular estimate plus 1000 last item. Now you sum up all the items given at the top. Okay. Now you do the sum of all these items which are given at the top. You just look, sum of all. Sum of all means we do it like this. 1,08,000, उसके बाद 29 last one, then 44,800, this one, then 57,300, then 44,050 and after that 1000. So this is total 3, 8, 11 का एक आता है, 1, 9, 8, 17, 4, 21, 7, 28, 28 और 4, 32, 33 और 1, 34 आता है 3, 2, 4, 6, 5, 11, 11, 11 और 4, 15, 3, 18 आता है 1. So this total amount comes out to be 2,84,150. Now 2,84,150 is the total cost of material plus 15% you add labor charge plus 12% TNP charge plus 7% contingency and after this whatever total will come you add 1500, sorry, it is inspection fees. So this will give the total estimate. This is give the total estimate. This is your cost of material. Cost of materials, 50% labor charge, 12% TNP, 7% contingency. Whatever total comes here, you do it by calculator, okay? Total, and after that you add 1500 is the inspection fees for that. It is necessary to be deposited to licensing board before charging of the line. So it is necessary. Now item description I will give here. This is the pole which we have taken. He has taken horizontal cross arm. So this is the pin insulator 39 we required, and there is a top clamp. Okay, then this is the knee bracing. Knee bracing set उसने जो लिखा है, this is called knee bracing. And at the bottom there is a pole foundation muffs is there. So this is the pole foundation muffs. Pole foundation muffs are there. Is of cement structure. This is clamp for this. This is PCC pole, knee bracing set and all that. So this is the conductor will run on the line, which is we have calculated already. So this is the exact diagram. Now double pole structure, it is like this. That edge bracings we have taken, cross bracing for this. This is a H-pole structure I am drawing. This is cross bracing for H-pole structure. And this cross arm we have taken 2.2 meter. Okay. In the estimate you can judge it. Now here these are the disc insulator. The line will come here. And at the end we put the lightning arresters and pin insulator both. So these are the lightning arresters. So these are the disc insulator for dead end, and this is the lightning arresters for all one set of 3 जो हमने लिया. So this is the dead end. This is called dead end of the line. So after 1.6 kilometer we run line this 13 pole, and this is the 14th, this is the last location on which our line will terminate. That line will end at this point. So there will be 6 disc insulator we have taken, because these connections are taken like this. It is coming here and then it is terminating to other side. So this is all the clamps which are required, and in between this there is the lightning arrestor. So this line will go like this, and this is taped to other side. So this is 2 disc insulator required, one on this side, one in other side. So this is the side view of this. Okay, this lightning arrestor is provided. So this completes your problem on HT line. Next time I will take one problem of LT line. So this will finish your topic number 4. Theory already I have described in my last lecture. So only this particular estimate, it is taken for HT line. Number of estimate you can prepare only by changing the length of the line and average span. Average span I have given from 60 to 80 meters in case of HT line, but nowadays they have increased up to 120 meters, so it is hardly matter, we can take it. So whatever average span is given, we divide total length of the line by average span plus 1, that is the last पोल में DP लगेगी, इसलिए एक जोड़ना पड़ेगा आपको आखिरी में, और टोटल फिर उसका एस्टीमेट बनेगा. अब इसमें बहुत सारे आइटम, एक होता है बर्ड गार्ड स्टूल, वो आजकल लेते हैं पर इसमें लिया नहीं. नॉर्मली टू अवॉइड एनी टाइप ऑफ फॉल्ट एट द टॉप क्लैंप वी यूज टू पुट ए बर्ड गार्ड. दिस इज ए बर्ड गार्ड. So bird cannot sit on the top. यहाँ पे लगा देते हैं इसको. This is bird guard. Normally put on the top. और ये आइटम भी 25-30 रुपए का रहता है एक बर्ड गार्ड. This one. तो कोई भी पक्षी इस पे आके बैठेगा नहीं, तो ये फॉल्ट के चांसेस कम होते हैं. नॉर्मली the birds are having a tendency to sit on height. तो इस तीनों में इसकी हाइट ज़्यादा, तो यहाँ ज़्यादा बैठते पक्षी, तो शॉर्ट सर्किट होने से बच जाता है अगर आप यूज़ करेंगे बर्ड गार्ड स्टूल. सो ये बर्ड गार्ड्स आर नाइफ टाइप रहते हैं, तो पक्षी बैठते हैं तो उनके पैर कट जाते हैं, तो वो बैठते नहीं उस पर. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन आइटम यू कैन टेक. कास्ट ऑफ दिस इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 30 रुपये का एक आता है. पत्ती रहती है हेक्सा ब्लेड जैसी, और उसको टाइट कर देते हैं नट बोल्ट से टॉप पे. सो दैट इज बर्ड गार्ड स्टूल. सो फॉर टुडे इट इज ऑल one estimate on HT line, that is on 11 kV line. You can also prepare for 33 kV line. Procedure is same, structure is same, only height will change और थोड़ा dimension change होंगे, otherwise all the materials are same. So this is the problem which I have taken. It is for HT line, one problem. Tomorrow I will take one problem on LT line, that is for 230 volt or 440 volt 3 phase 6 wire, whatever it may be. So this is all for today. Thank you.